Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, we are going to discuss about a fantastic chatbot, that is ChatGPT like chatbot, where you can ask anything to the chatbot. That chatbot will answer for your questions. So let us go on to today's video and explore the chatbot, and we will explore with some different research prompts whether it will generate a better results or not. That content can be useful for our research article preparation or not. So let us go on to today's video. So before that, we are going to make an online workshop on research paper writing using ChatGPT and AI tool. So the main objective of this workshop is to familiarize you all with different AI tools which will be useful for research article preparation. And also we are going to explore different research prompts that will be useful for you to make research article content in ChatGPT. How to train your ChatGPT prompts to get a better results out of it. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. Don't forget to register our online workshop. The link for the registration will be given in the description of the video. See you on our workshop. Moving on to our today's video, the AI tool what we are going to discuss today is that 𝐻𝐸. So the 𝐻𝐸 is a AI powered search engine optimized for developers. So after logged in, you will be getting a dashboard like this here. So you can start chatting with your 𝐻𝐸. So just I am going to ask a general question. So what are the advantages of nature inspired optimization algorithm? So this is the first question I am going to ask in this 𝐻𝐸. So here it will analyze the different sources and it will generate a better solution for you. So here you can see, so natural is inspired optimization algorithm or optimization techniques that are inspired by natural processes. They have several advantages over traditional optimization techniques. So here you can see global optimization, simple implementation, few parameters to tune, adaptability, robustness. Some examples of nature tuned optimization algorithms are genetic algorithms, particle swarm optimization, next ant colony optimization, artificial bee colony, differential algorithms, evolution, etc. So here it will generate disadvantages also, and also the important thing is it will give the sources. So what are the where the sources has we have taken. So in this sources, you can click on this sources. It will lead to the article where it has taken, where the content has been taken. So like that, you can no need to analyze site wise. So you can go on risk and ask any questions you want. So it will answer from the database it has. So especially research related questions you can ask in risk. So here you can see there are some of the follow-up question can be asked related with that particular topic. So here you can see how do nature inspired optimization algorithms find the global optima. So what are some examples of natural inspired algorithms? So what are main disadvantages of natural inspired algorithms? How do natural inspired algorithms adapt to change environments? So here it will act as a chatbot and also as a search engine. So you can make use of this 𝐻𝐸 to search your content as well as ask anything you want related with your particular research topic. So the next question what I am going to ask in this 𝐻𝐸 is that, so why renewable energy is preferred, or you can ask preferred mostly in power sector for electric power generation. So like that I am going to ask give a input prompt and I am going for a web search. So let us see how it will works out. So it will analyze the different sources available for that particular prompt you have given. So that is a important unique thing here. So you have to go on and search any blog, means it will search 2 or 3 blogs or more than. Here you can see these are the different topics related with the particular prompt we have given. So here you can see more results from the web. So here you can click the link and you can get that particular link alone. So and you can analyze that particular link also very better. So instead here it will generate a generalized content, a comprehensive statement of the question you have given. So thereby it will analyze all the different sources and make a statement from the sources available in the web. So here you can see there are several reasons why renewable energy is preferred for electric power generation over conventional sources. Here environmental benefits, cost competitiveness, energy security, flexibility, job creation, technology progression, next policy support. So like that it will summarizes the particular thing also. So in summary, the environmental benefits, cost competitiveness, energy security, flexibility of deployment. So like that it will make a generalized statement from the available sources from the net. So here you can click India's power sector in 2030 shift to renewables and coal decline. For example, if you are interested in this topic, so you can click on that particular topic. So it will lead to the blog here. So thereby you can also make it as a search engine. So to search your that is the best blog related with the particular topic, you can find the best blog or best website related with that particular topic. The next input prompt what I have given is generate an MATLAB code for PSO algorithm. So here you can see, so these are the different search results present in the web, and it will generate a generalized content for our input prompt. So here you can see particle swarm optimization is a population based optimization technique inspired by the social behavior of bird flocking or fish schooling. So in PSO, a population of candidates solutions moves through the problem space searching for a global optima. So here you can see the basic steps. So initialize the particle swarm. Here the program, that is the program is generated for the particular algorithm. So next one is calculate the fitness of each particles. So this involves evaluating the objective function of the current position of each particle. So here you can see, so this is the second step code. Next third one, update the personal best, that is P best and global best. So for that you will be having a code. So next update the particle velocities and positions using particles current velocity and the distance between its current position, the P best and G best to calculate new velocity. So again you will be getting a code for the particular steps. Next repeat the steps 2 to 4 until a termination criteria is met. The G best particle give the optimized solution. So like that it will generate a step-by-step algorithm with MATLAB code for the particular prompt we have given. So this will be a better option to understand that particular code even very better. So if it gives like this step-by-step algorithm, so you can just learn that algorithm very easily, and you can learn the code also very easily using this kind of 𝐸𝐸x AI search engine. Here the next prompt what I have given is that generate a thesis outline for the title Grid Connected PV System for Electric Vehicle Charging Station. So here it will generate a thesis outline. So starting from introduction. So here you can see introduction, provide background on electric vehicles and their growing popularity. Mention the need for EV charging infrastructure and the role of renewable energy. Define the goal and scope of the thesis. Outline and structure of the thesis. Next one you can see literature review. So in this literature review you can see summarize the relevant research on grid connected PV system, highlight key findings and gaps. Next related with methodology you can see different topics. Next results and discussions, conclusion and future work. And also you will get the thesis which is related to the particular title very easily in this search. For example, this is a title design and analysis of solar power electric vehicle charging station. So just click on that. So you will get a related paper in that particular topic very easily. So that is how 𝐸𝐸x will generate the relevant topic related with the particular prompt, and also it will generate answer for your prompt also. Thus it will be a better option that it will act as a chatbot and also as a search engine to generate you a better answers. So this will be a good option for 2-in-1 option for all the researchers. So you can make use of this 𝐸𝐸x AI and generate a valuable content for your research article preparation. And an important announcement is that if you are struggling to write a research paper, if you are find tough to write a research paper, So if you are searching for a AI tool for a research paper alone, so don't need to worry. So go on to our LMS research support. So we made an exclusive AI tool for research article preparation alone. So here you will be having an option called AI chatbot. So in this AI chatbot, we have made many AI templates. So here you can see these are our templates: summarizer, grammar corrector, paraphrasing, literature review, explain the table, generate MATLAB code, chatbot, blog article, detailed literature review, chat with paper, and chat with PDF. So for literature review alone, we have made 4 different options, that is literature review, detailed literature review, chat with paper, chat with PDF. So you can upload your document and AI will analyze all the options. We have given a killer prompts for research to make your literature review very better. So that will help you to make your literature review writing very easier. And also in every month we are going to update research prompts, so which will be make your research article writing simple, starting from your title selection, abstract generation, conclusion, keyword generation, up to literature review, and up to your that is reference generation. We are going to make an AI tool which will be useful for you to make your research paper writing simple. As far as until this, we have made a better AI templates for research alone. So you can go on and check our plans and pricings. So you can access our AI tool for free. So you can access this summarizer and grammar corrector unlimited for 7 days. If you are wish that it will be worth for it, you can go for LMS AI monthly plan. So you can access all our templates unlimited for just 99 only for a month. So you can use this wise option to make your research paper writing simple, especially those who are struggling to make literature review, that is writing literature review. This will be a better option to write literature review. So don't forget to check our LMS research support website. So in this you will be having a chatbot, so you can go on and explore different AI templates, especially for research. Hope this video will be very helpful for you. Thank you for watching our videos. Have a nice day. Thank you.